An increased inflation rate of 3.5% for the month of December 2020 is the highest the Philippines has seen since March 2019. Analysts say that this may be due to the recent string of typhoons that affected the country, affecting supply and demand. Basic commodities and services continue to be offered at relatively higher prices, as we hear from Naomi Tiburcio.
As consumers lined up in malls and supermarkets during the holiday rush, demand for consumables has driven prices up. The Philippine Statistics Authority reports the last month of 2020 saw a 3.5% inflation, slightly higher than November's 3.3%. This is the highest inflation recorded since March of 2019. Onions and tomatoes particularly contributed to the uptick. In markets in Metro Manila, onions currently sell for 120 to 160 pesos per kilo, while the price of tomatoes range from 160 to 190 pesos per kilo. The PSA says this could be a spillover effect of the recent 2020 typhoons.
That's possible because we are seeing a spike in prices ng vegetables nga. Ito ay noong Nobyembre, ang vegetables ay nasa 14.6%. At the month wherein we were hit by typhoons, and ito ay tumaas pa sa 19.7% itong Disyembre.
In local markets, pork prices remain high, selling from 320 to 390 pesos. Vendors could only do little to adjust the price.
Paano nga nagsushorted nga, kaya nagmamahal, kinukulang ang supply, tsaka wala namang ganong pera tao. Pandemic kasi, pandemic. Yan ang nangyayari sa amin, pagbebenta.
Babawasan na lang yung rekado para makapaganda lang. Ito tayong magagawa, talaga pong mahirap ang buhay. Kasi nahihirapan din sila mag-angkat ng mga nila, mga gulay, halimbawa, tapos karne.
Transport also contributed to the uptick. Tricycle fare increased by nearly 50%, while jeepney fare rose to 6%. This is still within the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas target range. In the new year, experts are expecting supply to rise and inflation to ease up. But NED is hoping this new year brings better supply chain performance and a more disaster-resilient agriculture sector. Naomi Tiburcio, for The Nation.